I have spent hours on the Anthropologie website and I have found you the cutest looks for less from Amazon. On Anthropologie, you can get a piece of clothing for $200 to $300, but my friend, a fraction of the cost here today. If you're brand new here, I am 41 years young and I have 4 children, ages now 6 through 12. Everything is linked down below for you. Let's dive into these gorgeous pieces. This beautiful blue 2-piece set, oh my word, this is absolutely stunning, high-end look for less. On the back, it buttons all the way down, but on the front, it has sort of this beautiful neckline. Love the shoulder detail and this pattern and this print and this color combination. I've actually seen this viral all over Instagram, and I had to know, does this actually look good on a person? And I think that it absolutely does. This tie skirt here is so stunning. You can adjust it to fit your body size and shape perfectly. You can wear it as a high rise, you could wear it as a mid rise if you wanted to. And when you wear this as a high rise, it's going to cover that little poochie area that we as ladies often experience. You can make this as tight as you want. I love the length on this. I don't know where I am going with her, but she is going somewhere fun and fabulous. Oh my goodness, this cute little dress here. I've tried a variety of different variations of this, and you often see this on the Anthro website in different color combinations and different lengths. And I have to say, this is probably my favorite of all the ones that I've tried. Part of that has to do with the color combination with this beautiful coastal blue and the white, but I also think that the fit feels really nice. I love the length on this. Oh, and I should mention I am 5'7", and everything that I purchased here today is in a size small. And my friend, this dress is 100% cotton. If you love all natural materials, I made an entire playlist here on YouTube, so I'm gonna be sure to link that down below in the description box. I knew there was something extra special about this beautiful dress. Now you can really elevate this if you wanted to do, I would say, a jelly sandal. You could do a block heel sandal or even a kitten heel, but also you can make it very casual with a cute fun sun hat, maybe a straw hat and some white sneakers or something neutral. This dress, absolutely stunning and gorgeous. I love the red rickrack detail. This just screams gorgeous, beautiful summer, if you will. Love the V-neck detail. There's also a fun little ruffle here around the neck. Nice thick strap so that you can wear your most comfortable bra with it. This dress just covers all the places that you might want covered. It's very flowy and airy. The combination here of the blue and the red, just, yes, fun. Now this next dress, I put it on. My 12-year-old daughter was here when I was filming, and she was like, Mom, I really like that dress. There's nothing extraordinary about it, but I think the beauty is in the simplicity. This is screaming Anthro vibes all the way, but again, for a fraction of the cost on Amazon. There's also this very beautiful lace detail all around, sort of this gauzy looking material. I love the length on this. It's not too short. And my friend, this is also 100% cotton, and something about this navy blue color, just, I love it. I was asking my daughter, and she really thinks that my colors are red and navy blue, and I'll take it. Oh, this one right here feels so nice. I put this on. I did not want to take it off. Something about how it fit the body, hugged all the right places. I love the empire waist, so we can cover that belly area, that midriff area. Maybe you're going through perimenopause or menopause, or maybe you just had a baby if you're a bit of my younger audience here. And I shouldn't even say that, because one of my best friends actually just had her first baby at the age of 41. Now, I'm also 41. I could not imagine having a baby. I feel like I'm too tired for that, but maybe when it's your first and you've just waited a long time, I mean, you're energetic. Maybe you have like great energy levels. I don't know. You have to, right? But I am so happy for her. Well, side tangent, but this dress, stunning. I love the sleeves on it, the beautiful ruffled detail, blue and white stripes. You know I love that. Nice ruffles here at the bottom as well. Very casual dress, but very fun and girly. You can go shopping, you can go brunching, you can do date night depending upon where you're going. I know on the interwebs, a lot of times date night tops are these really tight, like black lacy tops and sort of slinky and whatnot. I mean, I've done those things, but I have to say some of my favorite date night tops are very flowy, beautiful, very chic and coastal, if you know what I mean. I don't think it always has to be about the fringe and the tightness and the boobies and the, you know what I mean? Not that I have any boobies. Being on the thinner side and just having 4 kids suck the life out of them, well, damn I. Back to these gorgeous dresses, shall we? Just keeping it real with you. Okay. This dress, stunning. Did not want to take it off. Just, I don't know, something about it. Color combination, the fit, the feel. I love the tube top and the little fringe. Well, it's not really fringe, but it sort of gives me that like fringy vibe. I don't know, something about fringe. I put it on, I feel like you just gotta like, you gotta shake it a little bit, yeah? Empire waist, so it just hugs all the right places. You don't have anything like digging into your stomach or anything like that. This is gonna transition so beautifully into the fall. You could pair this with some brown accents. A fun beaded brown chunky necklace I think would look stunning. Maybe some brown jelly shoes. Now this gorgeous gem here, oh my word, high-end look for less. In fact, all these are high-end look for less. This is the premise of the video, but I have to say this is giving me resort vibes. Now if you did have some girls and you wanted to show them off a little bit, this dress definitely would fit that bill. I love the puff sleeve detail. It also ties here in the back. This is also a really fun date night look depending upon where you're going. Oh, I love this. Simple, gorgeous, dress speaks for itself. Put your hair something cute. Maybe you have a short, cute little bob. Maybe you want to do a fun updo on this one. I love the smocking on the back, so it's very comfortable. Fun little tie here. So you get that tube top feel, but you don't have to worry about the tube top coming out, if you know what I mean. Fun little tassels here. Great length on this. This color combination, very airy, very effortless. Just all of my favorite things. Super quick, if you're enjoying this video, will you please give it a thumbs up and be sure to hit that subscribe button. Oh my, I've been seeing this viral all over the interwebs, and not many people have actually shown what this looks like on. I got it here in the light blue variation. I love this. Don't get me wrong, I love blacks and whites and creams, but the blue, it just speaks something. Calm, beauty. The waistband is fully adjustable. I love the shorts. They are not too short. Love this tube top detail. You can really showcase some fun jewelry should you want to, or just keep it completely plain with some really fun slip-on sandals that are comfortable, or jelly shoes. Again, covering that waistline area, that midsection area if you're feeling a little bit more bloated, but you're still looking really cute. This dress, yes, 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 super chic. Yes, she is. I don't know, something about that dress is giving me those vibes. I love the thicker straps here. They are fully adjustable, nice smocking here in the back, and then the back on this dress, very fun, very beautiful, great length on this. Oh my gosh, there's so much that you could do with this. You can make this very beachy depending upon the jewelry that you style it with and your shoes, but you could also make this very, shall I say, city chic. I'm here in the Minneapolis, Minnesota area, so I know all things about the city. And this right here, we'd see this at restaurants, high-end restaurants. It's very chic, but also you could downplay this depending upon where you're going. You're shopping. This is also giving me European vibes, like Paris and France. Yes. Fringe set. Now I was like, oh, that looks cute, and I put this on and I really like this fringe set. The skirt is nice and high-waisted should you want to. Just love this. The fringe, so good. If you're gonna buy something like this at higher end retailers, you're gonna pay $200, $300, $400, $500, sometimes even $600 if you're, you know, doing the whole Nordstrom thing. At this stage of my life, I have no interest in shopping at Nordstrom. I know all the other influencers are like doing the big Nordstrom sale, but me, I'm waiting for my Amazon sales, okay? I don't need to pay $300, $400 for a shirt that I can get the exact same thing on Amazon for like $30. You know what I mean? Thumbs up if you can relate to me on that one. It still looks just as good. Nobody really knows looking at you why you got that shirt, if you know what I mean. I'd rather put that money elsewhere, like investments, you know, things that go for you. That's just me. I digress. Very beautiful. This next dress should be in everybody's closet repertoire. This is by the brand Anne Rabess. Thicker straps on this, nice smocking on the back. On the black, oh my gosh, you know what happens why I misspeak so often is because my brain is thinking so much faster than the words that come out of my mouth. Oh my gosh. Side tangent, not sponsored, but have you ever heard of Whisper Flow? You gotta download this app. You can talk into your computer and it will type everything up for you super quickly. So I can talk much faster than I can type. My efficiency during the day has like exponentially increased. It's Whisper Flow. It's so good. It's so easy. You're welcome. Like I hardly even type anymore into my computer. I just talk to it. But back to this beautiful dress. You gotta get this dress. This is so pretty. You can wear this so many different seasons because it's just a classic timeless dress in your closet. And it's black or navy blue. I think it's navy blue. I'm pretty sure it's navy blue. This stunning little dress here. I love the block coloring with the blue and the black and white stripes. I'm pretty sure this is black and white, not navy blue and black. Oh my gosh, I don't wear glasses or anything like that, but maybe, you know what, I'm gonna blame it on the lighting right now. I love these sort of dresses. They just make you look very elevated, kind of like when you wear a button down or a polo or something like that. I think this dress gives those vibes. It's very airy. Nothing's clinging to the body on those super hot days. Here in Minnesota, even in September, we can have really hot days. So good. This next dress, I wanna say it's a #1 bestseller. I know that can change from time to time. Love, love, love this. I bought this in the white version. I also about it in the red version because it fits so good. You know, sometimes you can get tennis dresses and the shorts underneath ride up into your hoo-ha, you know what I mean? And you're like pulling them down. It's like a perma camel toe and I'm like constantly pulling them down. Maybe it has to do with my frame. Maybe my torso is a little bit longer. I'm not really sure, but this one does not do that at all. Like the shorts stay put. The pockets are actually functional. Spaghetti straps are fully adjustable. It has built-in cups inside, but you can take them out. I appreciate the cups because they give me a little something. Nice and stretchy Butterluxe vibes. A very beautiful white bubble dress. I love a good bubble dress. They are just so cute. Very beautiful and fun. Great for all ages. I love the thicker straps on this one. What I envision with this is a jean jacket and a really cute pair of jellies and then wearing some chunky jewelry. The dress is simple, it's beautiful, but how you accessorize it can really make the world of a difference. The world of difference? The world of difference? Something like that. Oh my, I'm all about the polka dots. I'm all about that bass, Da, da, na. I'm all about the polka dots. Okay, enough of that. Nice stretchy waistband. Very, very fun. It's sort of like a barrel leg or flare leg. I don't know, I wouldn't call it a barrel. I'm pretty sure this is a wide leg capri pants. At least that's how it fit. I love the pockets on this. This is giving me vintage vibes. This would look really cute with a cropped button down short sleeve, which I already have in my closet. But also I'm thinking just a nice black tank top. Yes. Last but not least, I've been seeing this dress all over the interwebs and yes, on Anthropologie. Obviously not the exact same dress, but it is so beautiful. Very flowy. I love the straps, the spaghetti straps. They are fully adjustable. What brand is this? Shy Velvet. Well, this is a new to me brand. I have to say that I am loving it. There's a tie here in the back where you can adjust this to make it a little bit looser fitting, a little bit more flowy. I'm picturing this with a white button-up cardigan over the shoulders if it gets a little bit cooler, a nice pair of jellies. Okay, let's talk about some shorts. I love shorts. I know not everybody loves shorts. I struggle finding cute jean shorts. I don't typically tend to wear jean shorts. I don't know. It's just not like my first thing that I go to in my closet. I like them, but you know. Well, until I found these ones. Okay, these are so cute. I had to get them in two different colors. I got them in the black version and then here in the denim version. You can wear these more of a high rise if you want to, low rise or mid rise because they are nice and stretchy. Something about these ruffles right here, so girly. Pair this with a cute t-shirt, pair it with your favorite tank top, maybe even a button down. I mean, the possibilities are endless because these are so fun. If you've been in the market for a fun, cute pair of Dean shorts, if you want some Dean shorts, right here. Oh my gosh, you can't make this stuff up. Like this is legit. Jean shorts. You know what the other thing is? My kids are all home because it's summer break. Well, it's like, yes, obviously it's summer break. So I'm also thinking about, what are they up to? What are they getting into? What sort of mischief? I mean, my husband's here, but he's also trying to work, so you know how that goes. Thumbs up if you can relate to me on that one. It's kind of like COVID all over again. Let's not even remind ourselves of that. Okay, I'm quite chatty today. Shorts are great. Let's move on. Okay, I love a good denim skirt, if you will. What's also nice about this is it actually looks like a skirt on the back. You know, sometimes these skirts, there's a slit down the back where it's the short because they are shorts underneath, but on the front it looks like a skirt and they turn around and like, oh my gosh, that looks kind of funny. I like this. It's uniform all the way around. Let's talk about this button down. Loving this. This is 100% cotton. I needed this color combination. I'm almost 99% sure there's lots of color options for this. I probably already own that, but I did not yet have one like this. We're gonna pop them on screen now here for you. This, oh yes, love everything about it. Beautiful color paired with that white, just looks so nice. Oh my gosh, I love these shorts. In fact, I was just at my daughter's dance. They're doing tryouts here, so we've been, you know, supporting all these things, but one of the moms had these on in the capri version. I was like, those are super cute. And then I found them in a short variation. Now, I don't know if she actually got them on Amazon. She could have got them from Anthropologie. These, I love them. I cannot wait to style these up. In fact, make sure that you're following me on Instagram at AndreaJeanCo because I post on there every single day on Instagram stories, stuff that you will never see here on YouTube, how I style these, and we just have a ton of fun over there. Don't get me wrong, I love my YouTube. This is where I started, but sometimes Instagram is just a much faster, easier way to consume content. But there's also something very intimate about this. You know, we get to talk, we get to sit down, we just get to talk about clothes. It's kind of like home shopping network, if you know what I mean, which don't get me wrong, I love that too. But let's move on to these jean shorts. These are a little bit longer. The scallop detail down here is so cute. These are nice and stretchy. You can pull this up. I love this dark wash color as well. Just paired with something white looks so beautiful. I would pair this with a white tank top that I'm showing you here in the footage, but also probably like a white button down or something like that, or maybe have a really cute knit white top. These would look stunning with. These shorts, these might be my favorite. I don't know. The blue and white stripe ones are also really beautiful. Okay, this is my vibe right here. Most days out of the week. I love that it feels a little bit more dressy. It looks dressy, but you didn't have to put that much more effort in, if you know what I mean. And then pair this with just something white, a t-shirt, a button down, one of your favorite tops. I cannot remember if these come in multiple color variations. We're gonna pop them on screen if they do, but I'm definitely gonna be getting more of these nice high-rise. Perfect. These fun ruffle pants, sort of a paper bag waist pant, if you will. I'm not sure how they are classifying it, but it's giving me all of those vibes. These are very fun. So on my 5'7" frame, if I wore these with something flat, I think this would be a great length, but these could also be seen more of sort of a capri pants, if you know what I mean. I would like to know if these came in a longer version for my longer legged girlies. I don't think that they do, but I love these pants. They're very fun, nice stretchy waistband, and then just this fun girly detail right here. So feminine and beautiful. I'm dying over these pants. These are by the brand G for free. In fact, after I got done filming them, I immediately pulled up my phone to see what else were available. Now these are the 31 inseam. This is the only color that is currently available. These are in the size small. They have a ton of different color options and different variations of these pants. For G for free, they're like the best pants that you can dress up or wear super casual. They're classifying these as like a travel pant, and I can see why, because I mean, they're pretty much wrinkle resistant, but they're nice and lightweight and airy. In fact, I want to do like an entire video just on the G for free brand, not sponsored by them, because these are so comfortable and they just look so good. This fun jean top here, again, anthro vibes all the way. I've seen this also floating around the interwebs, and I had to know, does it look good on an actual human rather than an AI model? And it absolutely does. I love all the denim. You can never go wrong with this. These are classic pieces in your closet. This is a crop style version, if you will, sort of a 3/4 sleeve, like a bell sleeve, which is really fun. It takes your regular old denim top and just takes it to the next level in terms of, well, I would say originality and style. Okay, our last two pieces. Let's talk about these pants. They are by the brand, I think you say Maduo, don't quote me on that, but I own these in so many different color combinations. I have them in a yellow version, I have them in a sea green, I also have them in a black and a khaki color. I had to get them in the white. In fact, I couldn't believe I did not have them in the white version. They are nice and high-waisted. I, in fact, purchased several of these capri pants last year, and I'm still wearing them this year, so that tells you a lot considering all the clothing that I go through and try on. So they are so good. Loving them here in the white. Perfect for summer, perfect transitioning into the fall. They go with so many beautiful things. You can wear them for work, you can wear them for a date, you can wear them for everyday wear, paired with this beautiful vest. Now, I've tried a lot of different vests on, and this one, hands down, is my favorite. It is nice and fitted. Oftentimes these vests kind of look a little funny on me because I'm like kind of drowning in them. I don't have any boobs. It just doesn't look right, but this one feels so good. Now, if you do have some boobs, there's definitely wiggle room for you as well. I love the buttons. Something about this top, especially paired with these white pants, just Okay, you gotta let me know your favorite anthro look for less from this video. And did you know I post so much here on the YouTube community tab, direct links to things, direct links to things. I just need more coffee. Yeah, no. I love shopping via the YouTube community tab because there's, again, so many different things that I never post on here, like how to style a peplum top, how to style ballet sneakers, or maybe how to style barrel jeans. Lots of fun fashion tips, the visuals, easy links to everything. YouTube community tab is also where it's at. Okay, we have got to keep the fun going. So click this video on screen now, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.